All right, now CNN News 18 accesses information on how cops trace the attacker. UPI payment for paratha, water bottle helped cops trace him. All right, so till yesterday we have told you how it was in fact difficult to nab the accused because he didn't had any Indian documents with him. So it was getting difficult for the Mumbai police to trace him down, to put him in surveillance, and that is why the entire issue became difficult to nab the accused in the case. And now what we are learning, we have in fact access the information on how exactly the Mumbai police were able to trace the attacker, and that is of course through the UPI payment that was made by the accused to buy parathas, water bottle, and that is how the Mumbai police was in fact able to track him down. Remember earlier as well, the Mumbai police has said that the accused didn't had any Indian documents with him, and they have in fact doubts to believe that he is not an Indian national and he has in fact come from Bangladesh. He was able to cross across the border, and then he came to India 4-5 months back is what the Mumbai police has said. I am in fact joined by CNN News 18's Anshul Singh. Anshul, you also have in fact pointed out yesterday as well that how it was difficult for the Mumbai police to track down the accused. Now take us through how they were able to actually trace down the attacker.
As we have been telling our viewers that the Mumbai police was actually working on human intelligence and was trying to track the exact location as to from where the accused might have gone, and hence CCTV dump data of that entire area from whichever area he was moving was taken by the Mumbai police. And in one of those CCTV visuals, the Mumbai police saw that the accused was making a payment using his phone. He bought a bottle of water, and once he did that, the Mumbai police reached on that very spot in that shop and made sure that the transaction ID is with them. Once they got access to that transaction ID, they got the phone number of the accused, and from that phone number, that phone number was actually put on surveillance, and through that, the Mumbai police was actually able to get to the bottom of this entire investigation. They were able to get to the exact location where the accused was hiding. So yes, this is how the Mumbai police was actually able to trace the accused down and eventually brought him to the books. But yes, at this point in time, there are a lot of questions that needs to be answered from the side of the Mumbai police. Yesterday itself, we have seen that how there was a massive flip-flop that was done by the Mumbai police. In the morning, the DCP of this area, Zone 9 in Bandra, actually called a press conference, and in that press conference, he claimed that the accused has been living in Mumbai for the last 5 to 6 months. But in the remand note that was presented in front of the court, in that remand note, the Mumbai police said that the accused was living here for the last 7 years, and they have to verify the documents that are present with him. On the other hand, in the morning press conference that happened, that was done by the Mumbai police, they said that he does not have any requisite documents. So yes, there are many flip-flops that has happened from the side of the Mumbai police. They have a time period of 5 days now where they will have to get their story straight, because on the next date of hearing, that is on the 24th of January, they will have to tell the court what kind of development have they made, what is the investigation that they have done till now. But yes, there is the job for the Mumbai police is definitely cut out for the next 5 days.
Anshul, also like you just pointed out that the police custody is for 5 days. So that's not much time for the Mumbai police. So how are they going to go about the investigation? What is really planned up in this next 5 days?
So 3 things that the Mumbai police wants to do at this point in time. The first one is crime scene recreation. That will be done in this time period, is what Mumbai police sources are telling us. Apart from that, the weapon, remember, a part of the weapon was recovered from the body of Saif Ali Khan, whereas another smaller part was at the crime scene. But the third part, the biggest part of that weapon is still something that the Mumbai police has still not been able to find. So the Mumbai police is trying to ascertain the exact location where the accused might have thrown that weapon, and once they get that location, then a search operation will be conducted to recover that weapon, because recovering that weapon is of utmost importance for the Mumbai police. Apart from that, the clothes that he was wearing on that very day, remember, the accused, after leaving from the residence of Saif Ali Khan, went to Bandra railway station, where he went ahead and changed his clothes. So where are the clothes that he was wearing on that very day when he attacked Saif Ali Khan? Because that is also a very, very crucial piece of information that the Mumbai police is seeking, or evidence that the Mumbai police is seeking at this point in time, because there are going to be DNA traces on that, there are going to be blood stains on that, and that will actually connect the accused to the entire crime. So all these three things that the Mumbai police is looking out at this point in time, and they will try to complete the entire procedure over the next 5 days and inform the court regarding the same on the 24th of January.
All right. Also, Anshul, when we talk about Saif Ali Khan, you also, in fact, brought us this information that in all likelihood he will be discharged today. So what time is it possible that he will be discharged? And also, by when do you think that the Mumbai police will be able to record his statement?
So yes, the Mumbai police has sought permission from the doctors at Lilavati Hospital to allow them to record the statements of Saif Ali Khan, but that decision will eventually be taken from the side of the family members or by concerning the doctors as well. So today, it is likely that the Mumbai police might record his statement, but what sources in the Lilavati Hospital are telling CNN News 18 is that Saif Ali Khan will not be discharged. It is highly unlikely that Saif Ali Khan will be discharged today. He will be discharged tomorrow. Seeing his health condition and after consulting with the family, it is likely that Saif Ali Khan will be discharged tomorrow. But the procedure of recording the statement of Saif Ali Khan is likely to happen today itself.
All right. Anshul, I request you to please stay with us as we are getting a series of political reaction on the story. Let's listen in.
There is a primary evidence to anticipate that this accused is a Bangladeshi. He doesn't have a Indian valid document, and there are some seizures which indicate that he is a Bangladeshi national. ये accused पिछले 5-6 महीने पहले मुंबई आया है, ऐसा पता चला है. कुछ दिन ये मुंबई में रहा, बाद में मुंबई के विसिनिटी के कुछ टाउन्स में रहा और 15 दिन पहले फिर मुंबई आया है, ऐसा इन्वेस्टिगेशन में पता चला.
Well, I think Mumbai police will have to tie up its laces and expedite the investigation, because the whole country is anxious. Not only the opposition, but every political party is concerned with regard to security of celebrities in our country. Now, there are different versions coming in media. Some stories say that he had entered for robbery. Others say that he did not touch anything that was, even the ornaments, etc., were lying helter-skelter, but he did not take anything. Then one story says that he was accompanied by one man and he was holding it took one knife to attack Saif. So it has become a very confused state that quite a few days have elapsed, but Mumbai police has not been able to still identify and locate as to what is the motive, who is the person and who is behind him, and why Saif was selected.
This is the question of related with the government thing. The Chief Minister, the Home Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, both, that all these incidents happens in the purview of them. I will always say, and I had said earlier even, in the future also, the Chief Minister of the Maharashtra, who is having the portfolio of the home, he has a tidy experience of handling the portfolio which is more sensitive of the home, and he is doing his level best all the while. So I don't want to say anything more about that.